In this video you will see a presentation of the Realbrush Metallic Marker Palette by Karin. These markers are available in 12 ready-made metallic pigment colors. Before you start painting, I recommend creating color swatches on the target material to plan your work as best as possible and familiarize yourself with the capabilities of the markers. The metallic color palette consists of various shades such as pink, purple, green, blue, as well as gold, silver and copper, which are perfect not only for drawing and painting but also for decorating objects made of various materials. Today I will show you a simple example of using this palette in painting technique. Thanks to their filament brush tips, these markers are perfect for watercolor techniques. So as you can see, I apply the color on paper moistened with water. Thanks to this, you can create blurred edges and tonal transitions between colors, as well as allow for interesting stylistic surprises when colors spontaneously mix with each other or flow beyond the edges. The pigment dries relatively quickly on the paper, so after a while you can apply subsequent layers of color. To blend already applied colors, you can use an additional clean brush with water. Because I work with the wet technique and the markers are water-based, I use high-weight watercolor paper. Thanks to this, the paper does not wave or peel and can accept many layers of pigment. By applying color to dry paper, we can add various details, and this is possible thanks to very precise marker brush tips. These markers can be successfully combined with other Karin products such as DECOGEL pens, and you can create various combinations depending on your needs and personal style. Watch our other videos and learn about the possibilities of Karin products.